Watch as our technician demonstrates the quick release feature of the RK-500. Changing blades in a standard cold knife requires a screwdriver and wrench and can take up valuable time. But with the patented push-button design of the RK-500, blades slide right in and lock securely, yet can be released and changed with just the push of your thumb. Here, our technician has installed a 3/4 inch Cobra blade in the RK-500. Beginning the cutout at the top corner, he works down the A-pillar and across the bottom. The stainless steel Cobra blade with a convex surface cuts easily because it takes a partial bite from the urethane as it moves. Now notice what our technician does when he reaches the middle of the windshield edge. He has released the RK-500 from the blade, leaving it in place under the windshield. Keeping the blade under the windshield reduces the risk of damaging the automobile while working. Our technician now installs a 1-inch Cobra blade and starts at the top corner again. He proceeds to finish the cut up to the point where the first blade waits. Again, the technician removes the handle from the 1-inch blade and reinstalls the 3/4 inch blade. He can now continue the cutout from the opposite side. Finished with the 3/4 inch blade, the technician now returns to the 1-inch blade, reinstalling it in the cold knife, and he can now complete the cutout. For wider urethane beds, the same technique can also be used with Reed's 1.5-inch stainless steel or carbon blades.